number 22. Certificate of Canvas and Proclamation of Winning Candidate for Member House of Representatives. May 12, 2025 National, Local, and Bar Parliamentary Elections. May 12, 2025. We, the undersigned members of the City Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed and the votes cast in 216 class precincts for the candidates running for member House of Representatives in the election cell on May 12, 2025. Attached here to informing part of your opposite statement of votes by precincts CEF number 20-8 garnered by each candidate for the office of member House of Representatives. That after such canvass, it appears that Chua Joel garnered 55,007 votes for the office of member House of Representatives, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above winning candidate as a duly elected member House of Representatives of NCR City of Manila, 3rd Legislative District, Province of NCR Manila. In witness whereof, we affix our signatures and imprint our comments in the City of Manila, Province of NCR Manila, this May 13, 2025 at 9:38 p.m. The City Board of Canvassers, Jerry Menes, Chairperson, Vice Chairperson, Giovanni Dillon, Member Secretary, Luisa R. Yuneva.
God first, God first. Atienza! 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 Atienza!
Tawa-tawa yung mga kapatid ni Babsi.
We love you, Mama!